if I'm going to print on paper, and it's a trade show application, I need the best paper I can put on a latex printer. Choice one, HP Professional Satin Photo Paper. Okay, the HP Professional Satin Photo Paper, it also comes in a gloss, is my choice when I want to put something in the printer and I want an exceptional quality photo paper, just like it says. This is a resin-coated photo paper. It is specifically formulated for Generation 3, which is what I'm using, the 300 and 500 series latex printers. I get a beautiful print. I have no image quality issues. This is what I'm going to use for point-of-purchase, point-of-sale posters. It has a higher formulation. It carries a slightly higher price point than less expensive medias. I don't think it's unreasonable. It's very well positioned because a photo paper is always going to have coatings on it, no matter what it is. That's going to bring the price up a bit because you're looking for quality. When I need quality, like at a trade show, I want to show the best the printer can do, and that's why I use this product. There's a slightly thinner version called Everyday, and it's effectively the same treatment, the same coating, but on a thinner, lighter weight paper, and that also works very well. So there's the Professional and the Everyday Satin Photo Paper and Gloss Photo Paper. I love this product. It's excellent. I use it all the time. It's one of my go-tos. So if I get a sample or a demo request and they want to see poster paper, choice one, this always is going to work. I just want to make sure what we're showing the customer is the best we can do. It's a very good choice for paper.